The number of high courts in India is answer C 2. The purpose of the inclusion of directive principle of state policy in the Indian Constitution is to establish answer D social and economic democracy, right of minorities to establish and administer education institutions is enshrined in answer D Article 30. The Union list in 7th schedule contains answer A 97 matters items. The Archaeological Survey of India is an attached office of the Department Ministry of answer A Culture. Cultural and education rights as enshrined in the Constitution of India are covered by answer B Article 29 and Article 30. On prorogation, the Lok Sabha can be summoned only by answer A the President of India. The questions asked in the Lok Sabha by the member during question are requiring written answer are answer A unstarted questions. The district judges are appointed by answer B the governor in constitution with the high courts. The right to property was deleted from the list of fundamental rights by answer C 44th Constitutional Act. Participatory notes are associated with answer B foreign institutional investors. The members of the Panchayat are answer B the electorates of the respective territorial constituencies. Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer A Mavlankar. The power to decide an election petition is vested in the answer C High Courts. The Parliament of India cannot be regarded as a sovereign body because answer D all of the above. The Parliament of India can make use of residuary powers answer A at all times. The name of a Laccadive Minicoy and a Minivi Islands was changed to Lakshadweep by an Act of Parliament in answer D 1973. The members of Lok Sabha hold office for a term of answer B 5 years. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by answer C elected members of the Legislative Assembly. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar described directive principles of state policy as answer B novel features of the Constitution.